Hi, welcome to Adventures and Things. I'm Michael Wright, and today I am getting over my fear of peacocks and geocaching in Peacock Hill.
I don't actually have a fear of peacocks, mostly, but I am at Peacock Hill, so
I'm gonna find this one today in Peacock Hill. It's, you got beautiful views around me, and now I'm just gonna find it. So one of the things that I read about this was there's an easy way to the cache and the difficult way, and it sounds like the difficult way is up the hill that I just went up. So when you're out here in a place like Victoria geocaching and you see like a bunch of these like rocks and stuff around, and it had just rained and there's a bunch of moss on it, just be very careful when you're walking around. I slid going down the hill, like climbing up it. I started to slide back down it, but just if you're out, especially if you're out with your kiddos and stuff, just be careful that they don't fall and knock themselves out, and then you have to leave them there because you need to find that geocache. But anyways, we're at Peacock Hill now. Let's find this geocache. Okay, so 1 meter again, and I'm wondering if it is. Oh yeah, check this out. Right in there. Oh yeah. Oh god, what's biting me? just messing with you. Okay, look at that official geocache. That's an official one. That's the good news. It's got some cool toys. There's like this Hawaiian lady, probably from Moana or something. Some dollar bills, y'all. Some bling. Some other stuff. There's that person. I think she's the queen or something. Alright. Time to sign this. This is a log here, eh? Oh, there we go. That one was fairly easy, so let's go find another one. I like to find as many as possible. So what my goal right now is to get to 100 geocaches, so that way I can start hiding my own geocaches, which I think would be a lot of fun. So I'm gonna go find 33 right now. Let's go get to that one. Okay, so as you can see, I have a potential to get 2 more. I'm gonna go for this one here, and then go down and get this one here. So the first one is horsetail. Looks like someone stole a bike and stashed it back here. Okay, wow, I wonder if it was on that. Okay, ow. It does say to take a picture of it, don't sign it because of COVID, so I don't know if it's that little shelf thing, and I'm waiting to hear back on that message. So I'm just gonna move on to the next one. If that's the one, I've taken a picture and I got it, but who knows? So moving on to the next one. Okay, so this next one is only a difficulty of 1 with a terrain of 1. It's supposed to be right here on Quadra Street, but it's supposed to be pretty busy, so I got to be kind of careful to not get caught, not have those muggles, if you will. take the cache, so gonna have to be a stealthy one here, make up for that last one that I didn't find, or maybe I did find. I don't know. Let's go get this this easy peasy one. So apparently it's at this bus stop here, so I gotta check it out, but it's like a really busy road, so I gotta be kind of careful. Stand at the pole and you should see the cache, but there's no hint. The cache location is cacher friendly, but you still need to use stealth. Well, I don't think it's that garbage. Just about called it quits on this one, and I realized that this is it here. So it's quite the geocache. It was really frustrating, but now I just got to figure out what the code is on the bottom and open this up. It says the last 4 numbers of posted coordinates. Let's see if this works. Oh man. What a crazy find. This one was probably one of the most frustrating ones that I've looked for. To be honest, I had no idea this would be a geocache, but it is. And after reading the description and reading some of the comments of what people have found on here, it became clear to me where it was. I actually left and came back because I was getting really frustrated and looking like an idiot. And, you know, that's part of the fun of geocaching, is looking like an idiot. So I found it. I've signed it. People left all sorts of cool trinkets in here. You know, I usually don't take these. There's like a golf ball, and check this one out. Just little, okay, this cute little penguin. That's pretty awesome. So anyways, I ended up finding this one. It was pretty awesome. Had no idea that this could be a geocache, but now I do know. And anyways, I'm gonna go get some food. If you like this, click the me likey button. If you haven't already, subscribe for more geocaching adventures, and well, I'll see you later.